It's Sunday, the end of January 2019. It's about 55 degrees in my shop over at my other house, and I'm listening to some music, and I haven't made a video in a while. I've been busy. I work about 6 days a week, but I've got my DIO and my gyro and my Zuma, and of course my 600RR. What I'm working on right now is I got this from a client. Some of my clients have breathing problems, and so these hoses are just invaluable, and they'll give me their old hoses for free because the state sends them about 1 million of these things. Anyway, what I did was I got a bunch of these little bottles here, and I'm trying to get a bottle to put underneath the bonnet or the front windscreen right here. This hose, that's half the fun of working on these bikes, is you can fit things together and make them work. This piece does not go here, but this goes into the your air compressor, and it will go right up here onto the outside, radiator filler. Then it'll come down to about right here and go inside underneath the bonnet. I don't know why I should call it a bonnet. And then it will come down and fit in the top of this bottle. So what I did was I took this bottle from my house, and if the wife asked me, of course, I don't know a damn thing about it. Somebody must have broken and stole it. But it'll fit real nice right into here, and the as a overflow, which that's the old one right there, for the radiator, and it will fit underneath the hood, so that's fine. But I want to say that something wonderful happened the other day. I don't know exactly what it was, but for the first time in my life, I don't feel completely alone. I don't know what it means, and hopefully some women are very stubborn, and they don't come to their senses very easily. I waited 9 years, and maybe she's changed her mind. That's one thing about women, they can change their mind. But who knows? I would have waited 10 times that long, 100 times, 1,000 times. Who knows? I just have this wonderful feeling that I'm not alone anymore. For the first time in decades. So, if I feel better, my bikes will run better, everything will work out. I just wanted to share some good news, even though I don't exactly know what it is. Alright. It's Randy H. signing off.